Basically what you're doing is flying both sticks at the same time. See, I'm leaning it to the left and pushing the tail around to the left. Same thing when you're flying to the right. You're pushing them both the same way and looking at the nose. But it
is. Good day.
See that propeller stopped and really turned.
Mm-hmm.
On this short grass, it ain't gonna hurt it, but if you land in long grass or whatever, it can get up in between the gears. That's why most time, whatever, I just, just take and catch it like. It's just confused. The best thing to do is turn it away from you.